Now, the final thing I wanted to talk about on this video was what kind of profit can you expect to make. I've actually asked ChatGPT what it estimates is possible. Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I wanted to share with you a business that you can start for just £9. And you might be saying, well, Chris, surely if it's only £9 to start, it must not be very good. But actually that's far from the truth. This is a fantastic opportunity. A lot of people are already doing it, but there's room for others to get started and make money as well. Now, what I'll do is I'll talk you through the strategy, what it involves, how you can get started, and then at the end of the video, I'll actually show you an example produced by ChatGPT of what you're predicted to make, whether you want to do this as a side hustle or full time. So getting into it then and jumping on the laptop, the first thing you need to do is get on over to your Amazon account, or if you don't have one, then get one set up. You're going to see my previous purchase history here on Amazon. I don't think there's anything too embarrassing, but let's scroll all the way down here. So just keep scrolling. It's mainly just looking at Meta Quest 3s at the moment. We'll get down to this part here, all the way at the bottom, and you're going to see this here where it says independently publish with us. That's going to take us to this page here, Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. And all that is literally you're selling books on Amazon, and Amazon take care of the printing and postage of your books for you. They then charge you a percentage and some fees for doing that, but you keep the rest. And I'll show you how that's broken down here on this page. As you scroll down, this is completely free to use here. So this is why it's such a low-cost business to start up. You can produce either print books or ebooks for people to pay and download. And if we go over to the next page, which is earn, we can scroll down and there you can see earn up to 70% royalties on ebook sales or 60% royalties on print book sales. So that's basically your commission there for each one you sell. Further down here, there's actually an example. So see what you can earn with KDP. So if you were to create a paperback book and sold it for $9.99, you would get $5.99 or up to $5.99 minus the delivery and printing costs, which are around $4 there for something with 250 pages plus $1. So you would get $1.99 per paperback book sold. That's around £1.50 at the current exchange rate for those of you in the UK. And it's not a lot of money if you just sell one book. But where this is powerful is, imagine you've created like 10 books, let's say, and you've sold 10 per day. So now you've got 10 times the £1.50 at £15 times by 10. So you now made £150 in that day. You can actually see here at the top, it says total KDP KU author earnings for November are $61.6 million. So that's just in the month of November 2025. It's an insane amount of money because you got to remember you're literally selling to an audience of millions of people that are buying books on Amazon. Now, all you have to do to join KDP is literally just click join KDP there in the top right-hand corner. Then you go through here, create your account, just enter in some details, and that's it. You joined up for completely free. I can hear you asking, Chris, how do I get started creating books and publishing them on KDP? Well, if we get back on the laptop, you actually want to be using this clever bit of software called Bookbolt. What it'll allow you to do is actually create, as it says there, coloring books, storybooks, low content books to Amazon, depending on what you want to do here. And where this comes in as a very, very low cost business to start is if we click on pricing, then scroll down and we'll click on to monthly. The newbie package, which is all you need to get started, hence why it's called newbie, just $11.99 a month, which is around £9 at the current exchange rate. And you can actually, if you use my affiliate link in the description, not only will you get the standard 3-day free trial, so you can check it out. Obviously, if it's not for you after those 3 days, just cancel it. Absolutely fine. But if you use code profitboss, you'll actually get 20% off, meaning you'll save even more money. So it's actually less than £9. Now, once you join up, this is what your dashboard will look like. Got all these options on the left-hand side here. Lots and lots of different tools. You can see what books are selling well. This one here has an estimated 865 sales. So they've literally made over £1,000 from selling a stress relief coloring book. And they might have 100 books set up like that and made £100,000. It's really all in the scale of this and how much time and effort you want to put into it. You can go onto the Book Scout feature, look into more details of different kind of books there and do your research. You can click onto keyword search there to do further investigation and research. Movers and shakers, they're the popular books right now, like what's hot there. So like this one, the Ultimate Movie Night quiz book there. And then you can go on to evergreen. So there's no end of information here giving you ideas on what you could do. Like this one here, blank comic book, is literally just a blank book. If we click on this link here, it'll show us the book on Amazon. And it's just a blank book there for people to draw their own comics, just something as simple as that. As well in here, we've got the tutorials on the bottom left-hand corner, which when you click that, there's loads and loads of YouTube videos giving you those tutorial lessons on how to use Bookbolt. And you can also use, if we go into Bookbolt Studio, you can use this AI feature in the bottom right-hand corner and actually ask the Bookbolt assistant any questions. So I have asked there, how do I remove the template text? And then it gave me a full answer there. So now you know what KDP is, what Bookbolt is, and how it can help you. Let's now show a quick example of how you can set up your first book by going onto the Bookbolt Studio. So we'll click onto it here on this left-hand side, and that brings up this page. This is your first thing you see on the studio. It's going to ask you how you want to set the project up. So project type, do you want it to be a paperback, hardcover? Now I'm just going to click on paperback, cover and interior. So the cover and inside of the book. We can go low content or AI story generator if you wanted to do children's storybook generated by AI. But we'll click on low content. For the project name, I'm just going to type in Japanese car coloring book. Then trim size, we'll leave it 6x9" there. Interior paper type, we have a few options, but I'm going to leave it as black and white interior with white paper since it's a coloring book. Bleed there is to do with how the images fit into the book, so bleed is going to be the best option for me. Now page count is on 100 as standard, so we want to put that to 24, I believe, is the minimum. If we try 20, I don't think it's going to let us there. Yeah, so 24 we need, and then we'll just click create project. So then you get to this screen here. What we want to do is create the cover on this side, and then this is the back cover. On this front cover here, let's go ahead and click on this AI tools, and then we can do either image or story generator. So I'm going to click on image generator. On the style, I'm going to click on cartoon since I want this as a coloring book. I'm going to say create a cover photo of a cool Japanese performance car in Tokyo. And then we'll just click on generate image. So that looks fantastic there. Add to page, and then we'll just drag it down here. That's what people see. And now we need a title for the book. So what we'll do now is go over to ChatGPT. I will just put, give me a title for a coloring book for Japanese performance cars. Actually, what I'm going to do is say, give me 5, and then it's going to give me some more examples. JDM Legends, a high-octane coloring adventure. I quite like that one. Revan Ride, Tokyo Tuners, Japanese performance cars to color. I really like that one. So we're going to just copy that, then jump over here and go on the text, and we'll go add heading. Now, you could obviously improve on that, play around with it as much as you want, but now what we'll do is create the back cover. So you jump back over to ChatGPT and just literally, because GPT already knows what you're wanting to do, you can say, create the back cover for me. Copy and paste that and put it over into Bookbolt. And there we go. I mean, as I say, it's very basic, but that gives you an idea of how you can put the text on the page there. And when you go through more of the tutorials, you'll get into more of the design and you can create them to look much nicer than that. But all you do for page 1 there is then click on the AI image generator again. Now to create your coloring images, you'd actually scroll down and click onto coloring there. So you don't have to tell the AI to make it without color. Once you've then repeated that for several pages and filled your book up with those images to color, you literally just go over to your KDP account, publish it, and then start seeing the sales come in when people purchase your book. Now, the final thing I wanted to talk about on this video was what kind of profit can you expect to make either as a side hustle or doing this full time. And what I did, rather than giving you some made up numbers that you may not believe, I've actually asked ChatGPT what it estimates is possible. Now at the bottom it says realistic income estimates. So as a side income, $100 to $500 per month for a few books with low promotion. Full-time potential $1,000 to $10,000 per month if you have multiple books in a profitable niche and some marketing. And the top sellers, so some authors with 20 plus popular books, can make $50,000 per month. But this is rare. I wouldn't really go for the top sellers, although why not? If you want to make that much money a month through this, there's nothing stopping you. But I would go in between the side income to full-time. The potential for making £1,000 a month from this is absolutely realistic, and is, as I say, all down to how much time and effort you put into this yourself. I hope this video has been eye-opening. Thank you once again to Bookbolt for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions, do be sure to comment below and I'll get back to everyone when I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.